Hello, I'm Dr. Brandt Gibson, and today I want to talk to you about gout. Now, gout is a severe form of arthritis that usually occurs at in the joints of the body. Most common location, of course, is the great toe, right at the base of the big toe or the hallux, and it causes pretty significant inflammation, pretty significant pain, and it's caused by uric acid crystals that are depositing in a joint. So that is question number one, is what is it? Number two, why does it happen? There are two real reasons why you can get a gout attack. One is that your body does a poor job of removing the uric acid crystals from your body, and you're eating foods that will actually cause them, could cause it to be a bigger deal. Foods that actually cause a significant issue, stuff like that. And those typically are meats, cheeses, wines. That's why they used to call it a rich man's disease. And what happens is those crystals deposit in the joints and cause a problem. You can also have a issue where your body is overproducing urate, which can form into the uric acid crystals. So number three, what can you do for it at home? This is the point I want to focus a little bit on, because a lot of times people are saying, okay, is there anything that I can do, to treat this? And there's some good options that we found as we've looked for it over the period of time. Number one is bananas. The interesting thing about bananas is they actually do a great job of helping the body reabsorb or break down the crystals and make it back into a liquid so the body can actually remove it. Apples do a similar thing. Because of the malic acid in apples, they can actually similarly help you break down the uric acid, get them back into crystals. There are some things you can actually soak in, for example, that will also help. Cold water, for example, can actually be very beneficial. Ice packs sometimes will help because you're taking down the inflammation, helping in that way. Epsom salt baths have been shown to actually reduce symptoms and help in that way. Drinking apple cider vinegar. Mixing apple cider vinegar with water and drinking it actually can help you break down the uric acid crystals and improve the symptoms. A half teaspoon of baking soda in water, doing it 4 times a day for a couple weeks, will similarly help remove the uric acid crystals from your body, as well as taking a half cup or a half teaspoon, not a half cup, that'd be a lot, half teaspoon of ginger mixed in boiling water can do a similar type thing. So those are all solutions that you can actually do at home. The other one that people will commonly talk about is the tart cherry juice that can similarly help reduce some of the symptoms of gout. Number 4, when should you go to the doctor? The truth is you should go see a doctor if you can't get the symptoms under control. If you're saying, okay, I'm having pretty significant symptoms, I can't get them under control, I don't know what to do. So then you can go see a doctor, and there are medications that you can be put on to help assist in the removal of the uric acid and help reduce the symptoms. A lot of times those treatments can happen really, really quickly within days if you need to go to the doctor and be seen. So reminder, there are things you can do at home, or if you can't get control of it, there are things you can also do by going and seeing the doctor. Dr. Brandt Gibson, and this is your Podiatry Tips Day 207, gout, and what you can do for it. Thanks. Have a great rest of your day.